solve the third question of question number 1. Evaluate the value of cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. So here cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 because it is in middle, upon this you know sec 30 is inverse of cos 30 and cos 30 is equal to sin 60 and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. So it will be 2 upon root 3 plus cosec 30 is the inverse of sin 30 and sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So you can write 2 upon 1. Now you can write it 1 upon root 2 and the denominator you can simplify. So first you will take LCM of root 3 and 1. So LCM will be root 3 and you can multiply, so it will be 2 plus this will be 2 root 3. Okay. Now in the next step we can make it inverse 1 upon root 2 into this will be root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. We can write like that. In the next step we can multiply by root 2, so it will be root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 into, there is no number means 1, so 1 into 2 and inside number we can multiply, means 2 and 3 are inside of the root, so 2 3 are 6 we can. Now we got this. Now square root we have to remove from the denominator, so we will rationalize this. So it is a plus b, so we have to multiply by a minus b, which means root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into, we will multiply by a minus b, means 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 6. Okay. For balancing we will multiply by the same numerator and denominator so that it will be cancelled. So as it is will be. Now we will multiply, so root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon, we will get here a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square, which means 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So this will be root 3 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon, here we will get, it is the square of 2 also and root 2 also, so square of 2 will be 4 into square of root 2 will be 2. Similarly here also 4 into square of square root of 6 will be 6. So it will be root 3 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 4 2s are 8 minus 6 4s are 24, which means we will get 2 we can take common or we can multiply by root 3. We will multiply by root 3. So it will be 2 root 2 into root 3, it will be 2 3s are 6 minus, here also 2 into 6 3s are 18 upon, you can write here minus 16 because this will be 8 minus 24, it will be minus 16. Now 2 you can take common and you can cancel with the 16. Minus 2 will take common because minus we have to remove from the denominator. So minus 2 will take common, so it will be this root 18 will be positive because we are taking minus also sign common. So this will become positive and this will become negative. So minus root 6 upon minus 16. So minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2 and here 2 8s are 16, which means 18 you can write 3 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, which means 2 into 3 square root of, so 3 you can take outside, so 3 root 2 we can write minus root 6 upon a, this will be final answer. Okay, let's see next. Here sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 is given. So you can substitute your value. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec is the inverse of sin and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, so it will be 2 upon root 3. upon, here we will get sec is the inverse of cos, and cos 30 is equal to sin 60. So sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, so it will be 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 is equal to sin 30. So sin 30 is 1 upon 2, so we will write 1 upon 2, and cot 45 is the inverse of tan 45, and tan 45 is 1, so cot 45 will also be 1 upon 1 means 1. So we will get here LCM of this is 1, we can write 1 upon 1, so LCM of 2, 1 and root 3 will be 2 root 3. So you will get here root 3 because LCM will divide by 2, so it will be root 3. Plus here we will divide LCM by 1, so it will be 2 root 3. We will multiply by 1, so 2 root 3. Minus here we will get root 3 will be cancelled, so 2 2s are 4. Upon, or you can write like that also. Upon the here also the same denominator. It will be LCM 2 root 3, and here root 3 will be cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Plus here 2 will be cancelled, which means root 3 we will multiply by 1, so root 3. Plus here 1 upon 1 we can write, so we will divide 2 root 3 by 1, so it will be 2 root 3. We will multiply by 1, so 2 root 3. Okay. So this, if we will make it inverse, so this will be 2 root 3 will be upside, and that will be cancelled with this. So can you cancel here only? Okay. Now what is that? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now you know that this 1 pair plus 2 pair, it will be 3 pair. Similarly 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, it will be 3 times root 3. So you can write 3 times root 3 minus 4 upon, here also 2 plus 1, it will be 3 times root 3 plus 4. This is positive plus 4. Now you can rationalize this. We can rationalize. So it will be 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. We can multiply by 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4. It is a plus b, so we will multiply by a minus b, so that we will get a square minus b square to remove the square root. Okay, so it will be, it is the square, whole square, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. Okay, upon, it is a plus b, a minus b, it will be a square minus b square, means 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. So you can expand this, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can expand by this. So 3 root 3 square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 plus 4 square upon, this is, it is the square of 3 also, root 3 also. So 3 square of 3 will be 9. 9 3s are 27 minus 4 4s are 60, which means we will get here this will be 27. 9 3s are 27 minus, this is 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 root 3 plus 4 4s are 16 upon, this is 7 minus 6 1, this is 2 minus 1 1 11. Now we can simplify 27 plus 16, it will be 7 plus 6 6 2 are 12 13 3 carry over 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This will be final answer. Similarly we will see the next. In this question, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So you can substitute your value. 5 into cos 60 is equal to sin 30 and sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, it is square plus 4 into sec is the inverse of cos. Cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to sin 30. Sin 60. And sin 60 equal to root 3 upon 2. So it will be 2 upon root 3 whole square. Minus tan 45 means 1. And it is square, so we write square. Upon, this is sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2 whole square because it is square. Plus cos 30 will be root 3 upon 2 because it is equal to sin 60. So root 3 upon 2 this square. So you will get here 5 into 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 2 2s are 4 upon 3, because square root of square root 3 will be 3, minus 1 upon, we will get here 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. So it will be 4 upon 4 means it will be 1. Means we got here 5 upon 4 plus, here we will get 4 4 just 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 upon 4, that will be 1. Now what we got finally, we got here 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. So LCM will be 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now 12 we will divide by 4. So 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12. 16 4s are 64 minus this will be 12 1s are 12. So you can add this number. So 4 plus 5 it is 9, 6 plus 1 7 minus 12 upon 12, which means you will get here 7, here you will get 6 upon 12. That will be final answer of the